Second, non-verbal learning disabilities, NVLD. Detail going on. Overview. Has trouble interpreting non-verbal cues like facial expressions, body language, and may have poor coordination. Non-verbal learning disability, NVD or NVLD, is a disorder which is usually characterized by a significant discrepancy between higher verbal skills and weaker motor, visual, spatial, and social skills. Signs and symptoms of non-verbal learning disabilities. First sign, has trouble recognizing non-verbal cues such as facial expression or body language. Second, shows poor psychomotor coordination. Clumsy, seem to be consistently getting in the way, bumping into people and objects. Three, using fine motor skills, a challenge. Tying shoes, writing, using scissors. Four, need to verbally label everything that happens to comprehend circumstances. Spatial orientation, directional concepts, and coordination often lost. 5, has difficulty coping with challenges in routine and transitions. 6, has difficulty generalizing previously learned information. 7, has difficulty following multi-step instructions. 8, make very literal translations. 9, ask too many questions, may be repetitive, and inappropriately interrupt the flow of a lesson. 10, impairs the illusion of competence because of the student's strong verbal skills. Strategies to overcome. First strategy, rehearse getting from place to place. 2, minimize transitions and give several verbal cues before transition. 3, avoid assuming the student will automatically generalize instructions or concepts. Four, verbally point out similarities, differences and connections, number and present, instructions in sequence, simplify and break down abstract concepts, explain metaphors and multiple meanings in reading material. 5. Answer the students' questions when possible, but let them know a specific number, example 3 versus a few, and that you can answer 3 more at break or after school or college. 6. Allow the child to abstain from participating in activities at signs of overload. 7. Thoroughly prepare the child in advance for field trips or other changes, regardless of how minimal. 8. Implement modified schedule or creative programming. 9. Never assume child understands something because he or she can parrot back what you have just said. 10. Offer added verbal explanations when the child seems lost or registers confusion. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.